guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video guys, we're going to be doing some booty workout, which is only going to be on the floor. Okay, so no jumping, no squats today. Okay, so we're just going to be doing a different variety of exercises to help grow that booty. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump right into it. Okay guys, so let's jump right into it. This is the elevated single leg lift. As you can see guys, I'm laying on my side. I use my elbow as support, so I'm elevated off the ground. As you can see, I lift my leg up and slowly bring it back down. Okay, so I lift it up and slowly bring it back down. Remember, we're doing 3 sets of 10 for this exercise. Whatever we do to one leg, we have to move on to the next.
I got you on my mind, but something's been done wrong. Sometimes I've been thinking of what to make of me and my memories. Sometimes I've been thinking of dreaming of what it could have been besides memories.
Okay guys, so now we're moving right along. This is the elevated clamshell. So as you can see guys, I'm on my side. I'm elevated off the ground and my knees are bent. Okay, so as you can see, when I lift my top leg, I open it as wide as I can, then bring it back down slowly. So I open and then slowly bring it back down. Remember, we're doing 3 sets of 10. Whatever we do to one leg, we have to do to the next.
It's lost in something deceitful. I've been left astray by the moonlight sweeping.
Okay guys, so now we're doing just a regular group bridge. So as you can see guys, I'm on my back, my hands is at my side, and I lift my booty up and I'm squeezing those glutes and slowly bring it back down. So I'm lifting it up, slowly bring it back down, lifting it up, slowly bring it back down. Okay, we're doing 3 sets of 10 for this one. Okay guys, so now we're moving on to the last exercise. This one is side lay knee to elbow. So as you can see, I'm on my side. I bring my knee up to my elbow and then kick it out. Okay, so I bring it up and then kick it out. Okay, so remember, we're doing 3 sets of 10, and when you finish this one leg, then you move on to the next. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.